Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, I got lots of bags. I have 3 P&M and I promised to myself I'm not going to shop so much, right? But still, I purchased many because there's many reduced items in B&M, especially their Christmas stuff. And normally I purchase sell, you know me. I don't like to buy full price. So I have B&M, Home Bargains, Primark 2 bags, and H&M and TK Maxx. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, it's heavy. Okay, I have also Lidl. So anyway, this is 1 week. It's not 1 day. I like 3 shops or 3 days. I mean. So anyway, I promised to myself I'm not going to buy any clothes. Unfortunately, I saw some dresses in TK Maxx that I like, so I grabbed it, and some trousers also in H&M and also in Primark. So I'll try to shop less. So I am trying. And then home items from Home Bargains and P&M. So yeah, let's start guys, but less shopping for sure. Okay, so first in H&M. So in H&M, oh no, maybe TK Maxx. So TK Maxx, this is the first dress. Look at that. It's from Kid London. What do you think? What do you think, guys? Is it nice for summer? Because I realized I have a dress here that I always wear during summer, and it's like 3 years, 4 years with me. And yeah, I think I need to buy a bit more dresses now again, because you know what, even before I like dresses compared to mix and match clothing, because dress is like you just put it and that's it, and then you just care about your shoes, sandal, like that. So I'm back again to dresses. So this summer I will wear more dresses again. It's easier, you know, for me. So yeah, this is, oh, where is the price? Oh my god. Okay, so this is 25 pound. Yeah, 25 pound, and this is the brand. Normally I like Zara, but when I saw it, okay, looks nice. Comment down below. I'm not familiar with this brand. If it's nice brand, comment down below. For 24 pound. And today I'm always checking online for Zara because they have so many dresses also, which is like 6 pounds, 7 pound, 10 pound, and some of that I like. It's just that they don't have anything that is for pickup, for collection. They just have delivery. And a while ago I tried to put my address and it's loading, so I give up. But let's see, maybe I'll go back there because it's so cheap dresses. But it's not really like for summer dresses. It's more on fit, tight, something like that, which is I feel like I don't need because I have enough fitting or you know, a bit something dresses. I like summer dresses just to casual. So next is this from TK Maxx still. This is 20 pound from Los Monteo, Los Angeles. And for 20 pound, comment down below if you like this or it's not nice. I'm not so sure about this, but it looks nice to me. But not so sure because I have another thing there that I like to buy. So yeah, this is nice. And then I have here Lidl, but I'll show you Lidl later. And for the H&M, so first is this trouser. This is skinny high waist. You know what? I tried to stop wearing high waist. I mean skinny jeans, but I feel like my body is more. It's better with skinny jeans than this one. This is also, this is from Zara, guys, and they said it's not so nice to me. What do you think? It's like I look short compared to if it's skinny jeans. Look like that, because I have many skinny jeans here and this one is straight, and they said skinny jeans is better for me. So comment down below if you think they're right. Yeah, so like that. This is stretchable, so I'm buying against skinny jeans. Yeah, because before I have skinny jeans and then somebody, not it's actually somebody, someone close to me who is telling me truth, yeah. And then he said it's like skinny jeans is better for you than straight jeans. So comment down below, guys. So I'm buying again skinny jeans. I purchased Zara 2 straight, no, 4 actually. Yeah, and I cannot use it now. I don't know, let's see. And that is how much? Oh, you know, normally this is 27 pounds, but this one is just 20 pounds. 20 pounds only. I don't know why. Actually, I didn't check it there. I hope this fit me. Okay, that one. And next is this t-shirt. I have many white t-shirt, but the reason why I purchased this, it's because it's sell and it's a bit different style. It's like white, I mean casual or something, but this one here, like that. Yeah, so it's like that. Yeah, that one. Four pound actually. The original price of this is more, but it's 4 pound. 4 pound now. What do you think? It's all good also or not? But I need the white because my white t-shirt doesn't really stay white. And next, B&M. I have many reviews in B&M. Okay, first is this one. Look at this. This is so cheap, guys. This is just 5 pound and then 2 already. You know, I purchased mine in Kino and I didn't like it. It's too small. Or what's the reason? Yeah, it's too small. And this one is bigger. I'm so happy. They have so many nice things in B&M. So I think today supposedly I will go there to buy some pots, plants, something like that. Look at it's amazing. So it's just 250. So look. Oh, it's just like that, but it's alright. At least, yeah, when you want to use it. Okay. Oh, okay, like that. And then automatic. Okay, it's pretty good actually. Because when you use automatic, you don't need to touch it. I don't know, what do you think? I think it's fine, yeah. For my vinegar, I have already for my olive oil. So maybe for my, I don't know, soy sauce. Vinegar and soy sauce, something like that. Oh my god, I didn't expect this. Actually, it came with this. Bamboo tray. Oh, that's so cool. I didn't even think about this. I just want this. Oh, look at that. Yeah, 5 pounds. That's a bargain. Next is, I don't know why I bought it. Suction towel rail. Oh, it's 7 pounds, 350. Oh my god. You know what? Since I'm always buying sale, sometimes I become shocked with these prices, even it's so cheap already, because I'm used to so cheap. Yeah, it's a bargain also. It's suction. Okay. Look, 350. I think it's good. Oh, look at this, guys. How much I bought this? Original 10 pound. I bought 2 of this. 10 pound, but how much I paid? 250 each. So it's very, very cheap. I need to buy more, I think, or maybe not. I'm not sure. I think I need more or not. Saturday or Sunday I will go to, no, maybe Monday I will go again to B&M, and then if they still have some lights, maybe I'll buy more. And look at this, guys. Oh, okay, here. This is only 1 pound, and the original price is how much? 5 pound. 5 pound, and then now 1 pound. So it's really a bargain too. I like to buy a sale, as what you know. And unfortunately in Home Bargains they don't have sale after Christmas, yeah, which is so bad. And this cup, because if they have sale I will buy many. And then this one, look, Noel, it's Guess how much? Oh, there's no tag. Okay, this is only £1. Yes, £1 only. Alright, and where's the other? Oh my god, guys, look at this. You know, I purchased smaller than this last time, and this one is not £18. Then they reduced it to £9, and then now they reduced to $4.50. Who can resist for $4.50? It's bigger than the one that I purchased last time for $4.50. Now it's become like more cheaper and cheaper, the reduction. That's that. Where's the other one? Oh, okay. There's here. And then, oh, look at this. Another one. Family. £1 only. And this is £5 originally. The tag is £5 and then £1. So, I forgot. I have to grab the train also, which is £2 or $2.50 on. I forgot. And then I grab again the hand towel, and they have also the bath towel. So this is $2.50 from £5, and this is Egyptian 100% cotton. I need for the hen. That's why I purchased again. Looks nice. And then this is in Home Bargains, guys. So it's very cheap. This also Morrison's. Okay. I didn't expect this because, you know, normally the pillow with cushion, normally it's like £5 each, but this one, it's velvet, so this one is only $2.50 each. So $2.50, $2.50, £5, so it's like 50% off, right? But this is the last two also. So yeah, I'm happy to have this because this is like the same in my bed, silver. So yes, from Home Bargains. And this one, to be honest, I don't know why I purchased it, because I have already many here for my utensil, but I don't know. It's not so expensive also, that's why. Oh, I'm thinking why I purchased it. But look at, and then easily, and then it's adjustable. I wanted to open it. Okay. I cannot even, because I want to show you, but I don't want to open it yet because I'm not so sure. But look at it. But I think it's nice. I think I should keep it. I'm just thinking. This is like that. Look, stretchable. Okay, that one. And this is mattress protector, single, because you know my son's bed before is double, and then we changed it for single. So I have so many mattress protector and cover sheet for double, and now I need to buy again single because we changed the mattress. So yeah, the bed overall. So this is just £7, and I preferred this than the other one because this is waterproof. If you can see here, it's waterproof. So for young kids, we need waterproof because they have some accidents. My son doesn't have, but just to be sure. This is from Home Bargains. This is from Morrison's. It's because they have sale. Look, this is, I forgot the pricing, but it's very cheap. That's why I think maybe £1, £1 like that. This one maybe $1.50 notes, and this one is things to do. Look, it's nice, things to do. I like to write, that's why I always grab, especially if it sells, so why not? And then I grab again You're My Favorite Person, and this one again because I just want to stock some Valentine's card. And I think I should stop now because I have at least two, because it's cheap, and it's not always cheap for Valentine's card or for any cards. That one, and oh, Primark. Primark here. So we start here. So this one, I don't know why I bought it. It's £1, guys, from £12, and I don't know who will wear this. I'll give it to my friend who have some kids. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's cute. £1 only from £12. I should not buy, right? But I cannot resist for £1. And this one, £14. Guess how much I purchased it? It's, oh, you cannot even see here. Here. £1. £1, guys. Supposedly I want to grab 2, and then I said I'm not sure if it will fit me, but this is my cup size, so I said okay, just 1. At least if it will not fit me, I don't, you know. Oh, look at £1. And then this is, oh my god, this is so long already. Yeah. And look at another skinny jeans, skinny mid-rise, only £5. Oh, you know what? I need to tell them this because they put here £5, but in my receipt it's actually £9 still. It's like it didn't be on sale, so I need to tell them because it's £4. £4, I can buy so much already, you know. Yeah, that is the problem when you're always buying in a bargain. And yeah, that's it. This one, okay, looks nice. It's skinny jeans, I told you, because. And another one, this one doesn't have a tag, so this one is £7. So yeah, but I have like this before, which I purchased 2 years ago, and still I'm using it from time to time because, you know, guys, it's not like if it's, oh, there's a dirt, if it's Primark, it's like not good quality. Sometimes even Zara, I purchased some blazer in Zara and trouser like fox leather, and sofas become damaged, but depends really when you're lucky or not lucky, you know, like that. And then I have here £2, this something, it's £3.50. Why this, it's so windy today. And then next £4 from £7. And then now I'm always making sure the pen is here. Look, because look, also it can fall off, so now I'm always checking that it's there. But this one doesn't have any pen. It's £3. Oh, this one, okay. So don't open, you can be seen. Sorry, I'm almost done. 2 minutes. Okay. This one is £6, and I only purchased it for £3. Like that. And then we're nearly in the end, guys. And oh my god. Oh my god, why I bought this? Oh my god. Oh my god, why I bought this again? Oh, this one, 50 pence from 130. And then these gloves, look at 50 pence. I don't need gloves. It's £1 only actually before. I don't need gloves, but I'm thinking maybe next year when it's so cold, at least I have gloves here. 1 minute, I'm done. Okay, and then next is, oh my god, oh my god, why I have this? This is £7, £7, guys, and this is, oh, it's interesting. I forgot this because I wanted to, okay, because I want to buy this just to like that. Okay, like that. Okay, and then have like this, and then this one. Okay, let's see if it's nice to me or not. Look, like that, yeah. Oh, I need to lose weight because I gained so much weight. So the receipt, okay, so the receipt is here. Strapless. 1 packed velvet. What is this? £7. What I purchased for £7? Ah, okay, this one. They said it's sale, but it's not sale also. What happened to Primark? Look guys, my receipt is showing that it's £7, but this is £7 original price, and then they make it £4, and then they didn't. Okay, I need to tell them because I have 2 items now that they put receipt like sale, but you know, didn't. So I need to, you know, because anyway I'm always in Primark, so it's not a hassle to me. And £2 for this. That's why I think now I should really like check the receipt, yeah, after. So this is £2. What is this? Okay, 8-pack gel pens. Just pens for £2. What do you think? And then look, so cute. This is £2, and then I purchased it £1, and this is like that. Yeah, I don't know. I just like to, when I have some ideas, to write it in a nice book and using nice pens. £1 from £2. I'm almost done. 1 minute. And then this is my son's trouser, guys, which is just £4. Okay, this is £4 now. Normally it's just $2.50. Oh, I also have here mask. Yeah. And the Lidl one, since I went to Lidl, and this is, I think, sale. Oh no, it's not sale. It's just because I need this. I need a stapler because the one I purchased from Home Bargains, I don't know what happened, guys, become damaged so fast. So I purchased another one, stapler, for my business record. And then highlighter. And then I need like this to print all my records or something. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy my haul, and I need to clean now. Bye.